Hey everybody out there in Artland, this is Melissa from Avondale Art Studio, and I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and give you guys a quick tip on something you can build or put in your workshop if you're having trouble trying to get a level surface when you're resining. We do a lot of resining in the shop here lately, and I always do it on this station right here. It is a dedicated resining station. It is 4x4. But because the surface in our shop is just a concrete floor, it expands and contracts, so it never stays level. Ugh, never stays level, and it's so frustrating. Like, I can't tell you how many times my husband has had to listen to me complain because yeah, I'm always trying things like sticky tack, putting underneath the pieces because I put them on, you know, push pins so that it stands up off of the surface that it's sitting on. Why can't I speak today? Anyway, so I'm putting sticky tack underneath it to try to get it to be level, or I'm spending time building up the stuff with pieces of cardboard under the pens to try to get it level, or I'm putting them on leveling feet, which, don't get me wrong, these leveling feet are cool. They're a neat idea for you, but they're not very sturdy. So I would be doing resining, and of course it has to stay in the same spot, at least it does for me, because I'm worried that if it moves, then I won't know if it's level again when I put it back. So it has to stay in one spot, and these they don't stay. So I'm just always frustrated when I'm resining because of those things. So my husband, who always listens when I am complaining about stuff and tries to find solutions for me because he's pretty damn amazing, anyway, he decided to build this weekend. He went out to Menards, I think, and he got this piece of countertop. And he got the countertop because it is a solid, flat surface. And if I wanted to put a piece directly on here and do some resining without protecting it in any way, the resin will come off of here. I would just need to take like a putty knife or whatever and scratch it off. But he went out and he bought this. It is portable. It'll go places together. Well, with me together. He built a frame underneath it. If you can see there, he just put it on a frame. And then he put the legs over here. And then he put leveling feet on each corner. Now, these are heavy duty leveling feet, like you would get to level out shelving or workbenches, that kind of stuff. He ordered them, I believe, off of Amazon. Everything comes on Amazon these days, doesn't it? So anyway, now all I have to do is I just take my pieces, and we always keep our pieces in these trays right here. This is a washing machine tray. So if you go to buy a washing machine or a dryer or whatever, and you want to put a tray underneath it in case it leaks in some way and grabs the water, that's what these are. I have like 8 or 10 of them in the shop because they're just good drying surfaces, and they hold things nicely. So anyway, I always put my pieces in here. So now I can just bring my tray right here, put it on this table, and then get my trusty little level and put it on here. And all I have to do is take this Allen wrench that my husband got for me. Simple little tool, but it's awesome. And he put a little hole right there in the wood, so it stays right there. I never lose it. It's right where I need it. He thinks of everything. Anyway, all I have to do now, instead of messing with all of that stuff, I don't have to get the sticky tack and put it underneath here and try to make it level on this corner and then level on that corner. I don't have to get the pieces of cardboard and stack 7, 8 pieces of cardboard underneath an edge to try to make it. All I have to do is put it on here, take my Allen wrench, put it at the top of the screw, and twist. That's it. I just have to, there's one on each corner, and then I just twist my Allen wrench until my level tells me that my piece is completely level. It's so freaking easy. It's so awesome. It's ingenious. I swear to goodness, he's a god dang genius. Sorry, that's a little joke between us. Anyway, so if you're having trouble with figuring out a level space, because ours always does that, it always ends up becoming uneven, maybe try something like this. Thanks so much, guys, for joining us. We really appreciate you tagging along with us as we build our business. And if you appreciate the video, let us know. Thanks. Bye.